Like you're in the car. I want a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Big Mac.
Did she say
Big Mac. Nope. Ask hello.
Thanks for stopping. Go with the order whenever you're ready.
Hi, can I get a large fry, please? That's it.
All right, go ahead and pour out your last drive-through window, $1.99.
All right, thank you.
Do you guys know 2 people we know work here?
Who? You have $1? I'm trying not to run over your foot.
Hold it up higher, man. Come on now.
I got you.
Second window.
Oh, second window.
Second.
Angela! What the?
Scavenger hunt. Don't judge. Yeah, don't judge. They kicked me out. You get to get the food. They kicked me out. Don't judge.
Well, next time you guys can't do this.
Alright.
Alright.
Here's a pen. Oh, thanks.
Now let me back in.
You gonna be nice to us?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. You sure?
Yeah.
Promise?
Thanks.
Thank you.
Come on, Bugger, we're running out of time.
Yeah, come on. We're running out of time.
Time constraints, Bungo.
Go work.